how to fix snap hook on Snapchat. Today guys, I have to show you and I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just follow this video until the end. So let's start. First guys, you will just open settings of your phone and you will go directly to apps or applications. Now you will find and see all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search just for Snapchat. And when you found Snapchat, just open it like this and go to storage. Then on storage guys, you have to go to clear data. Then click OK and go back and go to first tab and click OK. And that's it. Your problem will fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you in another video.